minds still there. So we have at least 6-7 young minds present here today. So this was interesting speech. So how we consider, sir. So as already told by learned director, sir, with the permissions of learned director, I will begin my training sessions. You have your chart, your schedule in front of you for today's training program. The days are gone now. I started practice from the year 2000, somewhere around 2009 or 10. So Mr. Pema is also there. Even our times also, the use of computers was very less. We used to see in the courtrooms that learned judges were typing, or the stenographers were typing in typewriter itself, not in the computers. So, with the passage of changing time, we need to change ourselves. Seniors will not come because they are still not used to with all computers and technologies. We young bar members are there. Basically, we wanted, Sikkim Judicial Academy wanted, I also wanted that the bar members, the learned bar members who have joined from the year 2020 to 24, they should come at least. I wanted that. Why? Because this is a project. Remember, we were told by learned CPC day before yesterday, there was training here. This is a project. This will gonna finish very soon. So after that there will be no training, nothing. Because you know project is temporary, it is not permanent. So we are in the project phase. We have been imparting training in using our technology, eCourts, websites, app, case management systems, all this. So this is the need of hour now, because see, we sitting at the comfort of our home, we can file our cases now. We don't have to go to the court. It's a hybrid mode. There may be some kind of persons in your mind that after e-filing also we go and file physically also. No? Physically is also required because we are in a hybrid mode now. Once this project will end, this hybrid mode will also go, then only e-filing will remain. So for this reasons only, I am thankful that at least 8 members, including me, 9 we are here. We can impart, 9 is sufficient. We can impart to all the bar members. Now we can train all the bar members now, right? So, having said this, now I will come to the topic. See, electronic case management tools for advocate. What is this? Can we say? Can someone say what is electronic case management tools? ECMT. These tools are all the apps, eCourts apps or other apps that we find in Play Store. Okay, so eCourts app. Have you downloaded it? eCourts app. How many of you have registered in the eCourt app? Have you registered? No. Mr. Pema has registered. You have also not registered, right? So you have registered? No. You have registered, right? Why did you register? Pema? So first thing is we need to register in the CIS. We need to register ourselves in the CIS. You need to provide your data, like your enrollment number and maybe a photograph or ID in the registry of the High Court. There is e-Seva Kendra, you know, in the High Court it gives. So you can submit it there. Thereafter, they will enter your details there, enrollment numbers and all, and thereafter only you can register. I will give a demo how you will register. After registrations, you have to be handy with passport size photograph, I think, and voter card, identity card, anything, PAN card, voter ID card, Aadhaar card, anything, driving license. So if you have these two documents, you can register after you give your details to the High Court. You will enter it first, then thereafter you can register online. You have to register, there is a time frame, you have to register within 18 minutes. I think that is there also, till date. Alright. So after registrations only you can be able to file cases online. Alright. So what we'll do is, where lesson number, हामी यतापट्टि फर्केर आउनुहोस् आउनुहोस् न. सो हामी अलिक यतापट्टि फर्केर बसौँ कि म त्यहाँनिर गएर डेमो गर्छु. यो डेमो गर्दाखेरि नि रेजिस्ट्रेसन गर्ने तपाईले गर्नु भएको छ है, रेजिस्ट्रेसन गर्नु भएको छ हैन. सो आई आस्क यु टु हेभ अ डेमो. अलराइट, बिकज मैले मात्रै गरेको छैन, यु विल नट लर्न कि. आई कल यु. No issue, I have my ID. Alright, so I'll go there. That's compulsory. Alright. Okay, let's begin with the practical sessions. Where should we go first? Okay, let's try Google. Let's go to our own High Court website. High Court of Sikkim. Alright. So now, e-filing and e-payment. So now there is two components here. You can see, take me to e-filing and take me to e-payment. So for example, you are filing a civil suit. You are filing a civil suit. What do you do? Civil suit, you need to pay court fees. So, convenient for you would be, you go first to e-payment side. You pay the court fees first because you have finalized your payment. The chamber has finalized your claim file. Alright. So, you have calculated your court fees. Say for example, it is 100. Why I am saying so? First you go to e-payment section, because thereafter when you enter into that take me to e-filing section, you need to upload that document. If that document is handy with you, if you have printed, or otherwise if you have kept in your desktop from where you are filing your claim online, then at that point of time it will be easy for you. Alright? But is it filing on a time, you payment on an accident. You may log out from the sessions, then again you have to log in. So to avoid that difficulty is, you first go to take me to e-payment section. Right? Now if you are filing anything in the existing case, you need to refer that CNR number. You know what is CNR number? I will go to that also. Alright? So party's name. You can put your name also. Alright. So advocate name. Can you any name? Okay, type of fee. Select. This is for those who have already registered. Okay. Those who have not registered, I'll come to that also. Alright. How to register. So court fee, you are paying court fee. So for example, 10. Okay, so remarks. You can put remarks. Payment of court fees on the suit value of rupees 100. Let's presume that this is partisan suit. Partisan suit we usually pay low court fees. Okay, payment of court fees on the suit value of rupees 100. On this suit value of rupees 100. This may not be exact, alright? This is just for reference only. So now enter your details. Go down. Scroll down. Okay. So now there are two components. individual and organizations. What is organizations? If you are filing case on behalf of any companies or it's the government, sometimes we may be retained by government law officers. Okay? So in that occasions you need to file case on the capacity of organizations. But we are filing in individual capacity, so name. Okay, enter your details. Now here you need to put your details, advocate's detail. Mobile number. Yeah. Now date of birth is also required. So I have read an outreach to the content management. Outreach to that EES3E. EES3E. Okay, now next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs you can see over there. Select PE, we have done it. Enter payment details, we have done it. Now view, verify payment details, where we are in this stage. Thereafter complete payment. Alright, so next. Okay, now from here you can choose the options of payment, modes of payment. State Bank of India, it has a bank charges of 11.45 or the internet banking. So if you have ATM card, you can opt the first option, State Bank ATM from the card. There is no bank charges. It is a bit fast. So you can state ATM bank, ATM to understand.
I think so UPI is more convenient.
UPI is not there. Is it there?
It is there. It's more
Alright.
convenient.
So you can get back. You cannot do. No. Yeah. Once you are in payment mode, you cannot go back. Alright. So anyway, you can choose that options also, and thereafter you need to submit it. Then you need to select the modes of payment, challan, e-challan, and then date and the person who is paying or the party's name. So in the next window that will appear. So after doing all this, you will have a PDF set copy of the challan in the second phase, e-filing phase. Alright. So now we have done e-payment part. Alright. Now take me to e-filing. You have done e-filing, right? I'll give my user ID. Okay. So for the new users, you can register from here. Okay, now see, sessions will expire in 7:50. So ensure that you register within 18 minutes. Alright, mobile number, email address, bar registration number, you have to be handy with that. But before that, you need to register in the CIS of the High Court. You keep details, all the details, okay? So you can do this. There is no much issue on it. Alright? That's possible. And email.
2015. That is my ID. Then C capital letter, Chambers, CHAMBERS, C capital letter, @2020. 643393. Okay. You can see this page, draft, pending acceptance, not accepted, okay. Pending scrutiny, defective, e-file cases, e-file documents, IA, rejected cases, and idle unprocessed e-file cases. And in the right hand side you can see new case, documents, deficit port fee, you can correct your port fees from there also. Interim applications, that is applicable in high courts. Alright. So reports, context, news and events. Now you are filing new case. Okay, we have to go into that sections. If you want to file in an existing case, only the documents. So for example, you need to file some annexes you missed in the list of documents. Alright. If you want to file that, don't file new case, because again new CNR number will be generated. That will be difficult for the registry also. File through documents section. If you want to file the documents, that is good options for you. Then interim application. If you have to file civil means applications, even in the learned trial courts, you can opt that option. If you want to file interim applications in the Honorable High Court, you can choose that option. Alright. So let's file new case. Lower court. Okay, we are filing cases in the lower court. Sikkim. Select state Sikkim. District is Gangtok. Civil judge. Senior division is valid. Court establishment. Select civil. Or you may file. Sometimes we file section 200 private complaints. No? So in that occasions you need to select criminal. So let's do civil. Right. So matter type, original. You see there were three options: original, appeal, and what was the next? Application. See, if you are filing interim applications, you need to select that options. If you are filing appeal, then appeal is correct for you. Now we are filing original also, so we are selecting original. What is your case type? Civil suit. Title suit is an option. Title, yes, title suit is there. Okay. Title suit is MSCT matter. So if you have MSCT matter, then you have to select yes. If it's not MSCT matter, then no. You know what is MSCT matter? Your minds? You know, right? What is MSCT? Okay. I consider you to be the youngest member of the bar. So MSCT. So matter nature. If you want urgent hearing, sometimes you may have injunction or other applications. Right? Someone is damaging your client's property, then you need to ask the court, please hear my applications urgently. So you put urgent in the options. Okay? We have no urgency, so we will opt ordinary. Now submit. Now, when you submit this particulars, CNR number will be generated. This is not because I will other there. So that is the correct position. Because that son of option will not come. You need to choose relations with the person. Okay, it is 40. Marvin Mangal is
Yeah, that's me.
yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. I mean, we are filing your own case. So, email is very important. You can see static mark over there. Email, mobile number, address, anything. We have to state, select state, Sikkim, district, east, taluka. It's not required. Yeah. Okay, you put people. Okay, now save the data first. Save the data first. You need to save the data first. Then proceed to next. You are logged out. Okay, log in again. MN Dhungel 2015. 2015. C capital letter Chambers. CHAMBERS@2020. Okay, so now go to draft. If you face the similar problems while dealing with your online cases, you need to go into the draft section, okay? Then view. Don't do so fast because they will not understand. Okay, so from the view sections, you need to click and open the one already you have filed. Alright, see? View. Yes, go to draft, then view. Then you will get this page. Next. Now here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see on the top? Yes, petitioner respondent. So we have uploaded the basic details of the petitioner. Okay. Now respondent. Respondent, the opposite party. So she is filing case against Hemlal Manga. Be ready to fight it. GS Manga. Okay, date of birth. Anything. You can put any date of birth. 47 is too much. Oh. Age law, age law. Yes. All right. So email, if you have email ID of, we may not have the user name. That is why the system has also left static mark over there. So address, Gangtok state.
Only this red star is compulsory. You have to fill it.
You have to fill that. Static mark is compulsory, alright? Select state also because that is required to decide jurisdiction, no? Sikkim. Yeah. Okay, registration. Save. First you save your data, then proceed to next. Now, see if you have another plaintiff, complainant, petitioner, you need to put extra information here. If you do not have them, don't put. Save it first. Next. Okay? It's not coming because there is a mark, no? Extra party information. Okay, save. Okay, you did not put the names of opposite parties, no? Go to extra party, extra information. Respondent, we are done. Yes, Hemlal Manga, we are done. Okay, now No LRS, legal representatives are also not there. If you have, then you can do. Alright? Sometimes what happens? The main plaintiff for whom you have been appearing, he dies. Then what is the option? To bring legal representatives into the suit. Alright, in that occasions you can fill up the form here. So that is also done. Now case details. Cause of action. For what cause of actions you are filing your case? Okay. So you can mention there. So do you mention cause of action? Okay. Subject or reason for why you are filing. What is your subject? Prayer. What is your prayer? Declarations of title. Yes, declarations of title to property. Date of cause of actions, because you need to mention cause of actions to decide whether the suit is barred by limitations or not. Okay. So now you can put relief claim also, what relief you have claimed. Okay. Decree, right? Decree directing, decree declaring, relief claim, decree declaring title to property. Okay. Now dispute arising out of cause of actions. Alright. Dispute arising out of Sharif State, second district. Although it is not required, but it is advisable that you put this information also to decide jurisdiction. Okay, now save. How do you decide jurisdictions? Do you know? You know? How do you decide jurisdiction in a civil suit? Say for example, in this case, property is situated at Namchi. Okay? Emerald Mangar resides at Namchi. She is the filing. She is the one who is filing suit. She is residing at Gangtok. So, what is the place of jurisdiction? Namchi. Alright? So, Act. Code of Civil Procedure. Code of Civil Procedure. Section 9. Rule some. I know, like that. So if you have those kind of sections in your plane, then you can put add more. Okay, Act section. So okay. Now save. Go to next. Okay, now this is important. This is important because you need to verify your plaint by using your mobile number. This is uploaded and later on e-verified using mobile OTP. Alright, so we have been doing this, we have been practicing this. Otherwise you can do uploaded and later e-signed using my Aadhaar. If your Aadhaar is interlinked, connected with your mobile phone, you can do that options also. Alright, now the technology has risen up in higher level. It has been risen up, so uploaded digitally signed using digital token. If you have digital signature, we can make our digital signatures also. If it is there with you, you can select that options also. So far as we have not been using digital signatures in courts, only the law judges are using it. You can see digitally signed in the orders, right? So our practice as of now is third options. Uploaded and later on e-verified using mobile OTP. Save. Next. Okay. Now this is also important because now if you pause here and start scanning your documents, you will again log out. Your sessions will expire. Alright. So you need to have your plaint scanned and stored in computer or the laptop. Alright. Here one thing you need to remember is that size of the file. Size of the file is limited to 20 MB only. If you have bulky print, you can scan in 2 or 3 parts. Don't scan simultaneously because your size may exceed 20 MB, which may not later on be received by this system. Alright, I'll discuss it later on also. Document. So you are finding plain. Document's title, what titles you want to give? Title should. So basically I write what I have written, the name of the document. So for example, Hemlal's case. Okay. File. Now choose file. Again the file scan file. So that is why scanning first, preparing first is very important. Do we have any file here? No one is here? Let's go to desktop and see whether there is any PDF file. Documents also. Yes, it is there. That is in Word format. No? So PDF is there. Let's upload it. Open. Upload. Now press upload. Now see your file has been uploaded. Okay. Now if you want to delete, there is delete option. Alright. Now see, to choose file, go just below that you can see file, go in note. Please upload file only PDF file, maximum length can be 45 characters only. You cannot type the upper cap is 45 characters. You cannot type more than that. Alright. Only digits, characters, spaces, hyphens and underscores are allowed. Maximum PDF file size is 20 MB. So if your file is exceeding 20 MB, please reduce it. You can compress it also. Alright. Otherwise, fragment it and in part you scan it. What is this? Fee. Okay. So earlier we were paying 10 rupees as a court fee. That is why I told you that you should be handy with your court fees. Okay? You need to each other. So bank name. Acha, choose file. Choose file. Let's upload anything. Directors, backup month. Okay, nothing. A single file should not be here also. Yes, right. Yeah. Okay. It's done. So bank name, select bank name. State Bank of Sikkim Judicial. Okay. Chalan DD. What is that? Yes, that will go. So system is identifying whether you have uploaded Chalan or any other document. See, that is not done. No, Chalan check DD Chalan number, because you need to put that number printed in the Chalan. Okay, there are you may exceed those numbers because the upper cap here may be 8 characters only, 8 or 9 characters. If the Chalan number doesn't fit here, then you can do away with the first 3 letters, I think. Only put the numbers. 3 letters and numbers will come. You do away with the 3 letters, only put the numbers. Alright. Then thereafter, date and select party. Oh. So Praveen Manga will come here. Now upload. It will not be uploaded because we have not provided Chalan number. Let's put any number. Let's put any number there. Chalan number 56789. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today's date. Yeah. Today's 24th, right? You have forgot date also. 24 today. Oh, you are putting May's date. Oh, yeah. May 25, yeah. 4, yes. Okay, now upload. Yes, it is uploaded. So this system will not recognize whether you are paying court fees or you are uploading any other documents. Anyway, we have demonstrated. Now move on to the next section. Acha, just a moment. See, for example, you do not have your legal aid case. Do you need to pay the court fees in legal aid cases? No. Certainly no. Right? So what you do is you simply bypass that. You go back on so you pay court fees with others. Okay? Upload documents, sorry. Pay court fees. So affirmations. So if you have, if you are finding this as a legal aid case, then you don't have to pay the court fees. Then you simply save it and press next. This will come. This is applicants, complainant, litigants, affirmations. Alright? View application, view, conversion, view. Yes. We all know that there has to be some kind of verifications or affirmations by plaintiff, by our client, right? So this is verification. Alright. Now, applicant's name, plaintiff's name, your name. Okay. Now applicant's mobile number, your mobile number. Send OTP. This is the mobile number you need to register with CIS in the High Court, alright? Mobile number, mobile OTP. Verify it. Now you have verified your clients through e-verification process. Now you need to verify yourself also, lawyer who is filing the case. Okay. So 76795 6795 520. Okay, I am your lawyer. Was the number correct? Yes, 537622. 537622. Okay, now verification process is over. Press next. So finally we have finished the process of filing, process of e-filing. Alright. Now go to the top. Final submit button, you can see there, final submit button. Don't press it right now, right? We'll press it, otherwise you may get call from the lower court registry. No? So don't miss out that final submit button while filing. Earlier we used to do that mistake, no? In our earlier initial phases, that final submit button would be missed. We would think that yes, we have filed this, but
we can cross-check everything we did.
yeah, you can cross-check it here also. The information you have put it, accused, respondent, extra information, extra party, alright, X section, anything.
Before we
Yes, before we'll do
just cross-check once.
final. After you submit final, then there is no provisions of editing. Alright, if your claim comes in defect, then they can notify defect and then again you can correct the defects. Otherwise, there is no provision of editing after final submit. Okay, so this is how we file new cases. So we'll trace it. We'll trace it. Right? Okay. Now, let's file document. Alright. So, can I call someone? We have done it. आउनुहोस् न कसरी गर्नु भएको छैन आउनुहोस् Say for example we are filing in a civil suit. You have got permission from the court to file documents. At the date of the stage, it was not filed with your list of documents. Let's presume that. Alright. So you need CNR number for that. Do you have any case? Any case? I'll trace about Yes. In any existing cases. It's okay. Internet is not working, right? Internet is not working. Very slow internet inside. You have? Alright. Sorry? हुन्छ जसको पनि CNR. SK GT
01
000 49 42 024. Yes. Submit. Doesn't belong to children. Code one is High court go. Okay, choose lower court then. Choose lower court. Lower court. Yes. Sikkim. State Sikkim. Select Gangtok. कौन कोर्ट को? Okay, Pakyong. What is the court establishment? Selected. I think Pakyong has not been separated here. So, district judge. So, in place of Pakyong, let's do Gangtok. There you can get. Yes. Now put the CNR. I think now it will accept. SK GT 02 000 34 22 022. Okay, now submit it. Not recognizing this your CNR, right? Is it? Case number, one sir. Please try. Case number. Select state, second. District, Gangtok. CJ.
apa tu you? SPGT
0 Okay. Yes. Do you want to file documents in this case or is this an error? Yes. Yes. Submit. Okay. Now the details will come now because we are filing documents in existing case. Okay. Main party. Whether C is main party or extra party, the system is asking its main party. Shape. Next. Now you need to verify it again. Upload and later on e-verify. Yes. Save first. Next. Okay, now what documents you want to file? You have to choose it from here. What documents you want to file? Go down. Copy of document. Okay, choose file. The same file will choose, alright? Any file you can choose. Yes. Now title of the document. You write something. Document. Alright, now upload it. Alright, you have uploaded it. For uploading documents, we don't have to pay the court fees, alright? So directly do next. Okay, e-verify. E-verify, yes, there you need to verify your mobile. One 148-177. You get OTP here, alright, in your mobile number. 148-177. Verify OTP. Okay, so successfully e-verified. Next. Now you have uploaded your documents. Now if you press final submit, on the top right hand, the clerks don't submit. Okay. So in this way we can file our documents. Alright, so do trace.
The documents you to work out
Anything. That can well be used as of now also because you separately scan work out and then either you choose these options or another options where you upload your document, your planes and annexes. In that section also you can add one more documents. There's no issue on that. Then you add Munipati. But for that things you need to do is scan Vokalatnama separately. Don't scan with the annexes. Alright? So this is how we file documents. Now interim application. Let's do this also. So let's break for 10 minutes, alright? Okay, lower court. Lower court, select one is the lower court, not lower court. Now state Sikkim. State Sikkim, District Gangtok, Port Establishment. Here also we need one CNR, otherwise case number. Select Port Establishment. Select your Port Establishment and then select government. Select it, yes. Now we need drop down menu to select government. Establishment, that's why training, no? Yes. Now, do you have any cases of Chief Judicial Magistrate?
SKG.
Okay. SKG. Yeah. GT 02 000 620 22. Okay, now submit. Yes. Select yes. Submit. So who is applying for the IA? Let's say state of Sikkim? No. Respondent is applying, right? So respondent is applying here IA. So respondent should be the main party.
So respondent should be the main party, alright? Now save it. Move on to the next. Next, press next. Yes. Alright. Don't press now. You have pressed so many times, no? So IA against party. Against whom you are filing this application is state. Who is filing? The accused, I think, right? So against the state. So state of Sikkim is the main party. Click on the main party. Save. Next. Okay. So details of the IA. What kind of IA you are filing? Right? Application in the section. Right? Right? Select one of the select. What is coming down there? Nothing coming down there. Okay. So IA classification. What IA you file in criminal cases? Demasa? What applications do we file in criminal cases? IA? Any applications?
Condonation.
Okay.
Condonation of the petition. Criminal also.
Criminal.
Also in section 5 also.
Okay. Act. Act. What is the section?
Section 5 okay.
Select गर्नुहोस् त्यो ड्रप डाउन मेन्यु छ त्यहाँनिर स्क्रोल डाउन गर्नुहोस् स्क्रोल यस गर्नुहोस् you write CRPC, that's what comes. La mahi ho ito ho. IA classification ma select गर्नुहोस् त मैले त्यो त ठिकै छ. You have selected it. Okay, now IA classification मुनि. हजुर. Leave it. Act, because the select mark is not there. The information may not be required. Act say CRPC. Alright. Why it is coming up over there again? Muni act by गर्नुहोस्. हो त्यो हजुर म यहाँ गर्नु सेलेक्ट गर्नुहोस् त IA classification, let's write something there, okay? IA classification, because maybe for that reason when you got drop down menus I like so IA classification, application on the right, application for additional documents. Application for additional document.
So we have to select the list is not coming.
Sorry?
We have to select the list will come. We have to select from there. It's not coming in the list.
Yeah. Drop down menu is not there, no? So no results showing. Okay, delete it. Delete it. Now go to act. Act ma चाहिँ आउनु पर्ने हो नि त हैन?
Please go to criminal procedure, not CRPC.
Code, right? CODE. CODE. Yes.
Code of Criminal Procedure. Okay, now prayer. What is your prayer? What would be your prayer in CRPC? Go, just down. Go. Start with the others. Go. These are all, this drop down menus are all civil in nature, no? You understand? Discharge. Okay, bill also can be filed. So discharge. Number of leaves not required. Purpose of listing is also not required. Okay. So if there is no stigma, you may not require those informations. So section, discharge. What is the section? Do you remember? Discharge. 227. 227. Okay, you put 227. Not 227. Dema sir. What is the section of discharge?
249
It's, 227 is also there, but it must be in Sessions Court. Okay, let's put 239, no issue. 239. Alright, now you need to save the data. First you save, it's saved, now click on next. Okay, now the same process. Alright, but C is not going there. So let's do for her purpose. Upload and later on e-verified using mobile OTP. Whenever you file anything in the court, you need to verify through e-verification mode. Okay, so as of now our practice is opting the last option. Okay, you can opt the last option, opt it, because this is my profile. One OTP will come in my number because you have not been registered in the CIS. Alright, have you provided your details in the CIS? No, you need to provide that. Alright. So do that. Select the last one and upload it and later on. Yes. Now save it. So what we are finding here, saving is must. Without saving, we will proceed. Okay. So we have saved it. Now next. Okay. The documents you want to file. Select it. Annexa. Other. Alright. Choose file. Yes. Any documents you select. 217. Okay, 217 select. Open. Now you upload it. Give some time. Say for example document, DOCUMENT, document. Upload. Okay. Just a minute. Scroll down. We'll see whether the document has been uploaded or not. Yes, it is uploaded. Now next. Alright. No court fees is required. So click onto the next button. Yes. Alright. Now click on middle. E-verify mobile. Okay, last one click on back. Now the purpose is coming here. Okay. Okay. I receive my 830082. Okay. Now verify. Verify. So it is verified. Move on to next. So you have filed your what? IA. Alright. Okay. So now move on to top. If you submit there in the blue one, if you submit at the right hand side, don't click, alright? Don't click anything. No. Don't click, close. Yes. Alright. No issue. So if you submit that, you will finally submit into the system. Alright. So we'll press it. Do trass. TRASS. Okay, although she came late, however she learned how to file I. Alright.
Long. अब सबै यो भर्चुअल नै हुँदैछ कि सो फर द्याट रिजन चाहिँ यङ माइन्ड्सहरूलाई जुडिसियल एकाडेमीले ट्रेनिङ दिनु ल ओके सो वी आर डन विथ फाइलिङ अफ न्यू केस filing of documents and internal applications. These are the main things we usually counter. Now what remains? So defective filing appears once it is ticked by registry. Go to draft. See, now whatever we have filed, that comes in pending acceptance section. Pending acceptance property. Click on that, okay? Again, I need to log in. Dhungel. Yes, Meghnath, small Dhungel. Meghnath, 2015. Do tab, please go and start. C is capital letter. HAMBERS 2020. तपाईँको डिफेक्टमा के आएको छैन अहिले न्यू फाइलिङ्सहरुमा all are accepted without defects. You are very MNDHUNGEL 2015. आएको छ ए लु तपाईको लग्छ First two, you are not finding boring? No, you are not finding boring, right? You should not.
Himlal at the rate 1992. Capital H. मतलब Himlal at the rate 1992 रहते.
So resubmit, you can see 1. Serial number 1, there is also been, I think, common defect. Action, you can see the action in the right hand side. Resubmit. Resubmit. Okay, now you can see defect raised on. Can you see? 23/2023, 11:42. Second is also there. So defect, what is the defect? The application has been filed by the advocate himself in his name. Such filing is not permissible. Now it should be filed by the concerned party. So what Mr. Emnal now is supposed to do is, he has to file applications in the name of his client party. Alright. So this is the same process now. Let's presume that Hemlal has rectified the defect and he has uploaded his documents in his laptop. Alright. So now let's move on to the next sections. Alright. Submit. Don't submit it. Come down. Yes. Now, so this is regarding IA, right? IA. Okay, his IA is now ready. Alright. Now, move on to upload directly. Upload documents. Okay. Here, मुनि आउनुहोस् त. उहाँको चाहिँ आइरहेको छ. देख्नुभयो? हो, यसलाई चाहिँ अब डिलिट गर्नु पर्यो. First you need to delete this because once again, otherwise this will go. Again, there is chances that the registry may notify defects that you have filed the same applications. So you need to delete it. Obviously, after the defects is raised, then only you can delete it after final submission.
Otherwise you cannot. Oh? Should I delete this? Okay, now delete it. Let's demonstrate. Okay. Now choose file, documents. You have deleted it. Now Meghnath has made ready his IA application signed by his client. Let's resume that. Alright. So, application. It's the same process. IA applications. Srijan has filed. 270. The famous document. Documents title, document. Okay. Don't write documents every time. Alright, what is the title you have given to the document? Say for examples, you must have given IA applications of Falana Falana. Alright, so upload it. Alright, you have uploaded successfully. Now let's see whether it's uploaded or not. It is uploaded. Now here also you can delete it, but after you submit finally you cannot delete it until and unless defect is raised by registry. Okay, now next. So this is the same repeated. This will be repeated actions. Let's not do it. Alright. So this is the same thing. For applying IA, you may not need the court fee. So you can proceed directly next. Then thereafter you will have to verify. Then thereafter, after verifications, you get OTP. Put that OTP and then submit finally. So that is the process. Alright. Okay, anything regarding it? Yes. Why? Because you need to file affidavit also, no, along with the ID. So for that reasons, don't paste 10 rupees or 50 rupees stamp on that. You simply e-payment. Sometimes what happens, we do not keep 10 rupees ko 50 rupees ka stamp paper with us. So maybe for that reasons you may delay one day. Just pay through online. Online mode is accepted in the High Court. So that is also clear. Any year of doubt? No doubt. So let's log out this. Whose High Court is this? Sikkim High Court. Yes. Calm down. Do you know the neutral citations that started now? Do you know that? Neutral citations, because now the law reporters will also have to support that citation approved by the Honorable High Courts, Honorable Supreme Courts. Live law has also started giving, alright, verdict term, SSC online, all okay, sir? Manopatra, ESCR also there. In every such judgments, we can see neutral citations in sometimes in the right top hand or left top hand. So I just wanted to share that with you also. Just move on to the case status. Case status. So normally you can find your case status from our own High Court website, okay? But you can see case menu in the left hand side. Case number, party name, advocate's name, daily orders, judgment, final orders, free text, that is also important. Free text, whatever judgment you want. Say for example, you want judgment in, say for example, partition suit. Alright? The partition suit is based on ancestral properties. So in free text, if you write ancestral property, you get those judgments passed by our Honorable High Court pertaining to ancestral properties. Okay? Free text. Make use of it. Type anything. Say for example, Article 14. Article 14. So all the judgments passed by our High Court on Article 14 will appear here. We are out of the topic, alright? But for all of us knowledge, see all of these judgments, now you have to filter it, read it, alright? So all of the judgments you find here pertains to Article 14. So this is free text search, a good initiative of our Honorable High Court. Okay. Now neutral citations, you can see there neutral citation number. Alright. So enter neutral citation number. So for example 05, year 2024. Search. Okay. Mr. Kumar Pradhan. Now he has got 5 neutral citation number. Okay, number is 5. View. We have also neutral citation number. Yeah. So that is the citations you can quote before the court. Okay, if you have printed citations from live law has own system of giving citation number that may sometimes be recognized by our high courts or not, right? Or other high courts or not. So this is the neutral citations number which has been recognized throughout High Court Supreme Court. Okay, let's view. Right inside one. Can you see? 2024 SHC 5. So SC is Sikkim High Court. Okay, so this is the neutral citation number. We can start printing judgments from anywhere, and if it appears that there is neutral citation number, you put that number before the High Court. Okay, sir? Okay. Let's go back to the app. eCourts app. Google में जाना सर. Back करना है तो otherwise you can open new tab also. No? Plus से बस है plus. Whatever it is. Google is eCourts eCourts app. पहले ऐप नहीं करना पड़ता है eCourts ऐप वाले दिन सर ते हमें सॉल्व करना सर eCourts ऐप वाले because the app manufacturers manufacture app for desktop as well as mobile also. eCourts app not now yes that one install. Sign is required. This is for Android only? Oh yes. Desktop application. Back on us. Yes. eCourts desktop app. Yes, eCourts services desktop app. I think you have it downloading course 10 recipes. We can even store eCourts apps in our laptops also, alright? But you need to select eCourts desktop or laptop app. Yes. Website runs also. Not available. Desktop app. Oh, yes. So I think that is that in the app you can add your cases. whatever your chamber has cases pending or disposed, you can add in the eCourts app, and you can check from there also. Alright. There you can find cause list. Cause list is updated on daily basis. Order sheets. If you have added your case, then the next date will also be featured. So that options are available there. Okay. So from CNR number also you can check CNR number. Okay. So we put CNR number. One CNR number. In most occasions, we don't check our cases from this CNR number because all of us have added our cases in edit list. Case status flow. So, case status. Okay, put yes. Petition respondent. Agi tapai ke law ma?
Select the state process. Select the state.
State in the right hand side, yes. Second. District, Gangtok. Court complex, district and sessions court. Okay, after you finish selection, then put petitioner's name. Any name? You all have this eCourts app, no? You have downloaded it, no? Alright. Show them physically, alright? So, can I see eCourts app? You have added your cases. You have eCourts app? No. You download it? Do you have eCourts app? You have added your cases? You have done it? You also have?
Yes, sir.
You have also added it? No. So, we'll tell how the cases are added in your My Cases section, okay? Do you have any cases?
Yes, sir.
Yes? You have any cases? Case status. Go to case status. Okay. You have done it. So, do you have any cases? Any chamber cases? My case. Any cases in my case? Alright. So, what is this name department? You will put it here. Party name? If you have borrowed from others, any party's name, later on you can remove also. भयो अब आएन खोल्नुस् त yes now add case that features in top right hand side of the mobile. Add case. Okay, you have added successfully. Now whenever see now go back My cases. Now it start appearing 1. Okay, now what is the next date is 27/6/2024. So this is so handy, this is so useful. Okay, now we can check from here directly. You don't need to go again, party's name and all. अब यहीँबाट तपाईले अर्डर्सहरु हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, नेक्स्ट डेट पनि आउँछ. So you can press here. This is your calendar now. Okay, त्यो अघिको केस चाहिँ कहिले थियो? 13 मा. Okay. So she has learned. Left hand corner मा सबैले प्रेस गर्नुस् त. Left hand corner मा Alright. So you get many features over there. Okay. So one feature is, see, every time we may not be handy with what? Bare acts. Say for example, you need Naya Sanhita now, new code. Okay. So that may not have been uploaded as of now. But if you need Indian Penal Code, okay, India Code, you just press India Code. Phone number India Code. Yes, India Code ले चाहिँ नि तपाईं यो updated version of Bear Acts राख्छ त्यहाँनिर. Okay, so if you need Indian Penal Code, you can type over there Indian Penal Code. Indian Penal Code. There is a next feature, no? Then you find if you have saved it, you don't have to log in. Save which is parties was supposed to be done. So, see, one of those is we do put diary also, physical diary. I keep, but I don't use. Okay. So, what we get, other things, what we get there, eCourts को साइड में और हामी के पाउँछ, फर्स्ट लिस्ट पाउँछ, अहिले त इन्डिया कोड पनि पायो, हैन? जजमेन्ट सर्च पनि हुन्छ. Okay. So e-filing is also there. National Judicial Data Grid. If you want to see how many numbers of cases are pending in the national or RST, you can have a look from there also. Alright? So that is all about display boards, right? Other subs online certificate copies, virtual boards. Do I need to speak on e-Seva Kendra? You have seen e-Seva Kendra in almost all the ports. Nancy has one e-Seva Kendra, हाम्रो our own district court also has one e-Seva Kendra बाहिर छ एउटा कियोस्क, हाई कोर्टमा पनि बाहिर एउटा कियोस्क सेटअप भएको छ, रम्फूमा पनि बाहिर छ कोर्टमा हैन. So every court has now e-Seva Kendra. If you have any difficulty in filing, e-filing or any kind of uploading documents and all, you can always contact with them also, right? So that is पहिला चाहिँ अब e-Seva Kendra छ भनेर हामीलाई थाहा पनि थिएन नि त. So for that reason it has also been included in the topic. So we have done e-filing also. Alright, the registrations part has only remained because registration चाहिँ तपाईहरु नम्बर आफ्नो CH मा गर्नु भएको छैन. So for that reason त्यो गर्न सक्दैन. सृजना कियोस्कमा गएर हाई कोर्टमा तपाईको नम्बर दिनुपर्छ. Alright, then thereafter only when your number, your enrollment number is enabled there, then only you can register in eCourts. Alright. Then steps 2, e-file a case. It has also been covered. Case portfolio management. You online certified copies. Online certified copies. Any design stuff. Type is fine. You have Louis one. So you can apply from there also. Digital signature चाहिँ यस्तो हुन्छ कि अब we have to be tuned in changing technologies. अब digital signature पनि doesn't cost much. 2000 देखि नै स्टार्ट हुन्छ. 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 हेरी हुन्छ. तपाईहरुले लिदा हुन्छ त्यो 1 year को लागि दिन्छ, digital signature. अनि त्यो छ भने चाहिँ तपाईहरुले digitally sign गरेर फिसहरु फाइल गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Your client can also file. But we don't have right now digital signatures, so we are using your last third option, e-verified, using our mobile number. Alright, so we can verify through the first option also, Aadhaar, e-Aadhaar. If your Aadhaar has been verified by entering into your mobile number in the system, linked to the mobile number, Aadhaar link on maximum, so we can well verify from that section also. So online certified copies, sorry, sir, side master, high court master is lower court master. I think it has not been started, right? High court master, when you get call also, after it gets ready, please come and collect it. So e-filing. Advantages of e-filing. You don't have to go to court. Right? It's paperless. Although we are in hybrid mode, after e-filing you have to submit hard copy also. But once hybrid mode goes, then only e-courts, system, e-filing system will remain. Okay. So know the case status anytime. Just you have downloaded eCourts app. You can know case status from your kitchen, from your bedroom, at the comfort of your house, home. So filing appeal. Let's try it. Appeal. Same process. So okay, equal to will demonstrate. Only one maximum demonstrate. Tema? Okay, come. So go to High Court of Sikkim. So we are here. Okay. Take me to e-filing. For appeals, we need to pay what fees? Right? What fee we need to pay? The one we have paid in the original suit. So for that also you need to pay what fees and first go to the e-payment section. So I can also do that, right? And we have already completed that. GEL 2015. C capital HAMDERS @2020. Okay, now new case. From that section we have to go new case. We are filing appeal. Appeal where you are filing? High Court. Alright. So first appeal is always, if it is from the civil judges, then goes to district judge, and thereafter only the High Court second. If it is from the district judge court, then first appeal will lie before on the line. Okay. Yes. Civil appeal. Also. Okay. Select case type. Accordingly. Submit. See what happens is, what is the limitations for filing second first appeal? 30 days. So sometimes what happens, the party need, because the injunctions order, if any, that will culminate into the final order. It amounts to vacations of injunctions order also, after grounds of the judgments. Sometimes what happens, you need urgent prayers or urgent relief from appellate court. So during that occasion, you can mention always urgent, the urgent or the so Imam is filing or go. So relations of follows, relations of father. So relations of company, follow. He is taking a second. Yes, put your name. Address. In date. Sikkim is required. Yes. Now we got to income. Put pin code at least. After entering all these details, CNR number is generated. Okay. Next. Now, what is your respondent? Is ready with the respondent also. Address is required. Select state. Although it's not required, but select. Pin code. Station. Because you are not selected district, no? That is why it's the count. District also. Now state will come. Save. Next. Extra party. So there is no extra party. Save. Next. Now the same thing. The only difference is in the drop down menu. In the first page, whether it's original or appeal. Otherwise, same one. So do it. Do it. Act. Order, yes, nothing civil output, so CPC. Code, you write COD. Yes. Code of civil procedure, nothing more. We are filing civil, no. Are we? We are filing civil, right? So, code of civil procedure. So, under what provisions we file appeal? So, for example, first appeal, order 41. Order 41. Order 51. It's always good to be weak in mathematics, no law students, not required mathematics. So, but at least remember Roman numbers. Order 41 is XL I. 40, 50 is L. So XL is 40, XLI is now 41. Oh, keep on. XL 1. So from which port you are? Southern port. Because you are filing post appeal, no? Civil Custom Judicial Magistrate. So case time is title appeal. Case number. In which case number you are filing appeal? Any case number, yes. Don't put the Dhungel. Save. So date of decision. Put any date. Say for example B7. Date of decision means when the judgment was pronounced, passed. Okay. Me. कति गर्नु एघारमा हो ठिकै छ यो सेभ नेक्स्ट the same thing. Okay. Next. Appeal now. ये petition claim president है
Okay.
So have you uploaded documents? See? No, you have uploaded. Yes. Just come there. I wanted to show that. So move on to the next. She's doing so fast. Have you learned this today only? Very good. So I am a good teacher. Upload. So see here you need to pay what fees. Okay. So let's presume that this is your legal aid case. You do not have to pay the court fees. So move, press next directly. Don't put anything. Yes. Select the yes. Next. Okay. Applicant's name. Your name. You are the applicant, right? So applicant mobile number. Your mobile number. OTP has come. What OTP did you say? Now Kema can teach many other young minds, no? Young lawyers. All of you can teach. So advocate's name. Dhungel. You are advocate's name. Dhungel. Mobile number 76795 76795 33 520. Nine 961-742. 961-742. Okay, go to draft. There you can see view. Okay, we'll continue now. Go to next. Go to next. 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 Watch out. Next, you have done it. You have done it, no? Your verification is done. So my verification is also done. Now see, you have filed your appeal. Okay, if you finally submit. Where is the final submit one? Very good. Very good. Verification very good. Yes. From there. 76795 33520. Yes. Single GP. 76795 76795 Okay, 76795 Just a minute. Confused हो गया इतनी बेसी नंबर आ गया This, we've been trained during the period of lockdown when we were confined into our homes. So difficult to catch during those times. Trained doing our online sessions also and video sessions also with the advocates and clerks. So this concept is basically developed by the Supreme Court Committee, whose chairperson is Honorable Chief Justice of India. He himself is monitoring all this now. No, you go to place. 648-635. Seven six seven nine five. 33520. Send OTP. Now it's 215-256. 215-256. 3, yes. 215-256. Now verify OTP first. So you have done verifications of client and lawyer agreement. Okay, now press next. So you have filed your appeal also. Okay, don't do finance audit. But where is press? Oh, it's there. Press it. Okay, sir, no, anything? Okay, discuss about it. Yes, pending acceptance. I just draft our pending acceptance. So whole idea behind this project is to ease the process of filing, to bring changes in speedy disposal of the cases. तर सबभन्दा बेसी इजी चाहिँ लयर्सहरूलाई नै भएको छ नि, हामीलाई नि भएको छ नि त है। Now the only thing you need is one good scanner, printer, so that is required now in the chamber. सबैको छ, सबैजनाको हुन्छ। छैन नि त्यसलाई कियोस्क छ नि, त्यसले मैले स्क्यान गरेर त्यो आज यहाँ टपिकमा पनि छ। You all know that e-सेवा केन्द्र has been set up. You can help from there also. Okay, look, केही छ भने भन्नुहोस्। अरू पनि अब यो देख्नु बाहेक अरू पनि फाइलिङ रिलेटेड So have you applied online? कसैले गरेको छ? Correct, sir? Sign ID. Is it there in the website? Let's search. Case status. Case status. So the answer is back on. Important thing is yes. It is there. Mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Enter my mobile number because I am registered there. 76795. Oh, see. First you need to register. Okay. I do not have my password for offline certificate online. Just a copy online. So for that reason we need to apply. So government partners right? Again creating database name. Click here to register as party and general public. Please register mobile number. You register yourself. Put OTP. Verify OTP. Okay. Now see name. Who is applying for? Put your name. Date month of birth. We do not have photo right now, alright? So we may not complete this space because of want of photo. Ilma's photo, Prince photo, Ilma's photo. Okay. So basically what we need is photograph and ID that we used to do in eCourts registration earlier, no? So the same thing is required. So after you put all this data, you will be registered and thereafter you can file online certificate copies. Alright. So here also I have completely got experience. Otherwise, let's do one thing. Okay. Let's put my mobile number 76795. I don't know if I have registered. 76795 33520. Class 4. Or you can change verse. CHANDERS 2020. So I have also not registered. See? So this registration first. So that means there is yes for filing online certified copy. That is why it is here in the topic, no? So first we need to register here, then we can apply certificate copies online also. Okay, now ESCR, E-Supreme Court report records. ESCR. You can go to the website for our High Court. Yes. Okay. Now come down. Case status. You can see here. See, Sikkim law reports is also there. Don't always see Supreme Court judgments only. Our own High Court judgments are also stored there. Sikkim law reports. Click here. What do you want to search? Injunction, say for example. Alright? Or a time. For example, you can search. You have selected phrases, any words, all words. The particular with the word. See, injunction, all injunctions is come up. See. So this is designed by our own High Court. Sikkim law reports. Open one. You can see. Now, कतिजना छ अब उयो आएको हुन्छ है नो न्युट्रल साइटेसन एनिवे ब्याक गर्नुहोस् ESCR E Supreme Court records the judgments passed by Honorable Supreme Court so far. Okay. Sometimes you may not have SCC, neutral citation, monopatra. Oh, यो चाहिँ तपाईको अहिले इभन नेपाली ल्याङ्ग्वेज पनि पाउनुहुन्छ रिजनल ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा पनि ट्रान्सलेट भएको छ अहिले सुप्रिम कोर्टको जजमेन्ट्सहरू ESCR हैन don't put anything there, just put that 374878. Okay, 374878. Now search. Okay, now you can see about, just below judge, can you see about 36684. So that means Supreme Court has put up here 36,684 judgments for us to refer, but we don't refer. Right? Now, just go enter free the text search. Now, amongst this judgment, enter free text search. Okay? And go up here in the screen search. See, here you can find 13 judges, 1 judgment, 11 judges, 9 judges, 8 judges, 7 judges. Alright? So enter free text bananos, sir? Yes. Okay, now you search anything you want. What do you want? Which judgment you want? You may not know the name of the citations of the judgment. Okay, you can refer anything there. Maintenance. Alright. No issue. Maintenance. Maintenance. You need judgment and maintenance. Okay. Now search. Search what I got. Yes. How many judgments you got? 2,959 judgments. This may do some tasks for you. You can simplify your search. No, that is why the option has been given over there. Just go search within results. Now what do you want? Maintenance one. What do you want within maintenance? So any words you can type there, all words you can put. Oh. All need help. So even read is also coming. Malikarjun. Okay, open that one. So it looks like SCC type, kind of, no? See? In the top you can see 2024 5 SCR 62. Now here 2024 INSC 339 is neutral citation. Okay. So this is how you can get judgments. ESCR. All the Supreme Court judgments. You don't have to go to library, no, finding SCC or the SCC volume, that volume is there or not required. Nobody will do this. Okay. If you want more on this, entire training sessions uploaded over there. यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो honorable judge principal district and session judge ले मजाले explain गर्नुभएको छ हैन त्यो पनि हेर्नुस् न एकपल्ट. So this is ESCR. Now here you know, right? See in the right hand side you can see the judgments in order passed by our own High Court on day-to-day basis. See, latest judgments are uploaded here. Okay, you can go through here also. Now translated judgments in Nepali. Look at that. Supreme Court High Court. Process of availing justice by citizen has been made so easy. Right? Who are the stakeholders? It is us. होइन अब यो त कमन पब्लिकहरू थाहा छैन नि यसरी जजमेन्ट्सहरू भएको छ भनेर सो इट इज आवर ड्युटी टु टेल देम सी दिस जजमेन्ट हेज बिन ट्रान्सलेटेड इन्टु नेपाली यु क्यान रिड होइन हेर्नुहोस् न है नेपालीमा पनि जजमेन्ट आइहाल्छ rights but sometimes it may be wrong because AI needs more and numbers of data. It collects data from there. No? So if the data is incomplete or minimum, AI may not work properly. But if it gets data properly, then it is beneficial for us. The language that AI use, the method of drafting, that may be useful for us. Your trial is expired, this purchase is done. You bottom the okay, add, remove and manage bookmarks. Remove comment. So some cases are there, okay? There are not more cases. You sometimes enable wax or but we are using since we are using trial version, so that we can use it. So anyway, you can say referring view as a bookmark. Let's presume that this is our index page. Okay, so write index, but index also that one type version. Index one. Yes. Now save destination. So if you right click on it and save the destination. Save destination. Yes. So now this page, if you are in this page. For example, page number 2. If you click next, this page will come. Alright, so this is bookmarking. Now, so for example, table of contents. For example, this table of contents. Now again add. Where is add? Add. So type. What is this synopsis? After index key on the synopsis. Synopsis. This presume this is repetition. This presume this is repetitions. Okay. So synopsis. Okay. Now we got set destination. Set destination. Because I am already in this page. So otherwise you have to scroll down. If you want to set the page. Okay. If you don't want to do this, here LIC notice one, right? So you please open one of those, then set the destination. Picture. Now what comes next? After index, sorry, synopsis, main application. Your main application starts from here, judicial policy. Here you can see the main application starts. Now we write save destinations, do copy. Dhungel application. So now what comes next? Grounds. Right? Repetition of grounds. So let's have given edit. Auto name cancel name. So grounds. Now save destination. So our last material, sir, prayer. That was prayers. Now, for arguments, you open this page, you do this exercises first, okay? Now, quote asks, what is your index? What is the page number of this document? You directly go to index. You get the index number. Okay? Now, quote asks, prayer. You go to prayer. You get prayer here. Oh, main application. You can set each and every, it's a gruesome task otherwise, but you can set up each and every pages for your own referral purpose. So this is useful, right? What we don't do. I say Justice Vasalas Pradhan's court has gone virtual. So if you prepare your petitions or appeals or memo copies or anything like this, then this will be easy for you also, for the High Court also. You can save your time, right? And you look smart also in the High Court. You have sorry? You can have your laptop, tablets, alright? And otherwise you can use the desktop monitors in the providing the High Court also. You can use that. You need to save this file now. Save it. Save as. So, for this you need Foxit reader or any other kind of PDF reader. If it is in a paid version, then it's good for you. Otherwise, you can use Foxit also. I use Foxit. Let's see whether it's saved or not. Foxit reader. It's saved, right? So it's awesome and it's awesome feature. So this is bookmarking. So you can link also now. Hyperlink. This feature is not there. See, how do you link? Now you link page number with index. You have the index in your petition. Index में basically क्या होता है? Index में an application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, page number 1 to 12. Okay. Then thereafter you put some documents, annexes, right? You give the names of the documents in the index so that we can well turn out the pages and find those pages. This is the same thing, but it is done in the computer. Right? This is hyperlink. Hyperlink go you enter, then you click here. Okay. Now say for example this 16. This 16 is our index. Okay. Just select it. Don't move your cursor out of this line. Okay. You select from here till this page number. Okay. So now go to page view, go to amend petition, plus go to highlight, also here. Go to page view, next. Now where is your page number 16? Page number 16, serial number 16, 17 not here, already available. So go to page number 17. Don't set this positions right now, okay? Only see this page number 17. Otherwise you are going to be in the wrong page number. 16 and 17. So this is 17, right? So you want to show the fourth page number 17, set this position. Okay? Page number 17, and 15 number. So if you want to show the code page number 17, don't go to the page number 17, don't scroll down, just click on the link you have created. Okay, so this is the best part of best exercise you can do before going to the court. Meghnath, right? So this is useful for us. Now you want to show page number 18, just click here at page number 18 will come. If you want to show page number, any page number, then you should put link on this. So while putting, remember that your cross-referencing is the verify of the राम्रो रहेछ हाइपरलिङ्क बुकमार्किङ इज अल्सो गुड होइन बुकमार्किङ हामी गर्दैनौँ त वी डोन्ट हेभ टु डु अल दिस बट इफ यु डु दिस इज बेनिफिसियल टु अस कोड अल्सो त्यसको लागि त अब कोडको पनि ट्रेनिङ भएको छ बुकमार्किङ सो अब एउटा एउटा आर्ग्युमेन्ट चाहिँ कोर्टमा लेट्स डु ल बुकमार्किङ गरेर हाइपरलिङ्क होइन त्यो डेमो कोर्टलाई So this is hyperlink and bookmarking. So we have covered eCourts, e-seva kendras, bookmarking also, hyperlink also, included ESCR, neutral citations, apart from our topic. Okay, so what do you want to do now? What do you want to know? Anything more about this?